This is my little garden. So I'm going to grow things today. So let's see. So it was like this before, and then I had to remove everything. It took a bit of time. I didn't really finish because you can see there's some weeds at the side, but I might do that later. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to plant some stuff today before it starts raining, because it looks like it's going to rain soon. Okay, so I'm going to plant some maize, lettuce, rape, spring onions, baby spinach, and tsunga, and then maybe some sweet corn that I don't know, maybe okra, but I don't think I've got enough space for that, but we'll see. So I'll try to plant some of these things today.
Look, I want to help you. I want to do like this.
Okay, one only.
Three.
I'm not sure if I am spacing out the holes correctly, but this is just a learning cave for me as well. So I ended up planting 3 rows of maize, and then that one I planted some spring onions. I think I put like around 6 or more per hole, but I don't know, I wasn't really counting, to be honest. So I think I'm gonna plant some lettuce around here, and then some spinach here, and actually I don't know, let me see, I'm not sure what I'm gonna plant here first. Okay, I'm going to plant this first. I've done planting my veggies and herbs, so we shall see how it turns out. And right over here, I'm going to fix that, and then I'm going to plant some sweet corn. Then maybe I might be able to use this space. Not too sure yet. Then I'll plant some more stuff over there. I thought it was going to rain today, but it didn't. So since I've planted my my seeds today, I decided to just splash some water. Even though the soil was a little bit wet, but it was also quite hot. So see what happens. So this is day 1.